Good evening. Welcome back to Strategies. Now we'll see in the day market report. First, we'll see how US market closed overnight. Dow Jones and Nasdaq closed in green, whereas Asian markets Kospi and Shanghai closed in red, where all other markets closed in green. Right now, FTSE and CAC are trading in red, and DAX is also trading in red. Now we'll see about our market. Sensex gained 34 points and closed at 20,729. Nifty gained 12 points and closed at 6,174. Top gainers in Nifty are Coal India, Cipla, GAIL, Bank of Baroda. Top losers are L&T, BPCL, Axis Bank, Scissor Skylight and IDFC. Right now, commodities, gold and silver are trading in red, whereas all other are trading in green. Today, rupee gained almost 23 paisa against dollar and closed at 2 rupees 7 paisa. Now we'll see about our calls. We given a buy call on Bharati, which made a low of 329 rupees 95 paisa at 11.28 and made a high of 333 rupees 70 paisa at 3.7, giving you a trade gain of 1.13%. We have a buy call on Bharati, which made a low of 1829.90 at 12.9 and made a high of 1859 at 12.34, giving you a trade gain of 1.63%. We have a buy call on IndusInd Bank, which made a low of 420 rupees 70 paisa at 9.20 and made a high of 426 rupees 20 paisa at 10.30, giving you a trade gain of 1.28%. We have given a sell call on Scissor Skylight, which made a high of 193 rupees 85 paisa at 9.19 and made a low of 189 rupees 50 paisa at 3.18, giving you a trade gain of 2.24. We have given a sell call on ICICI Bank, which made a high of 1063 rupees at 11.27 and made a low of 1050 rupees 45 at 145, giving you a trade gain of 1.18%. We have given a sell call on NASA and Tuber, which made a high of 1025 rupees at 9.30 and made a low of 997 rupees at 30 paisa at 3.17, giving you a trade gain of 2.7%. All calls did extremely well. For more, visit our website or you can post your queries in YouTube and Twitter. Thank you.